students, now we are going to derive area velocity relations. Okay, area velocity relation. Now see, we know m dot is equal to rho a b. Okay, so differentiating this equation, so we will get this rho differentiation of AB plus AB into d rho is equal to 0. Okay, so this rho differentiation of A dB plus V dA, A dB, V dA plus AB d rho is equal to 0. Area velocity we are going to find out. So this rho A dB plus rho V dA plus AB d rho is equal to 0. So dividing by rho A V, so we will get rho A dB by rho A V plus rho V dA by rho A V plus A V d rho by rho A V is equal to 0. Okay, so rho A will get cancelled, rho V will be cancelled, A V will be cancelled. So we are getting dV by V plus dA by A plus d rho by rho is equal to 0. Now dA by A will be equal to minus dV by V plus d rho by rho. Not plus, it is minus. Okay, so let us call it as equation 1. So area velocity, we are finding out the relation, so that comes from this here Euler equation. We know dP by rho plus V dV plus G dZ is equal to 0. So this can be considered 0. We can neglect this one. Okay, so neglecting atom energy, so we will have dP by rho plus V dV is equal to 0. Now dP by d rho into d rho by rho, so multiplying and dividing by d rho in this term plus V dV is equal to 0. We know dP by d rho is nothing but C square into d rho by rho will be equal to minus V into dV. Okay, so this d rho by rho is equal to minus V into dV by C square. This is equation number 2. Now what we have to do, putting the value of d rho by rho in equation 1, that is from equation 1 and 2, that is dA by A is equal to minus dV by V, and this is minus and this is also minus, so minus will be plus. So d rho by rho is V into dV by C square. So what we have to do is, here see dV by V, if we take common, so it will be minus 1 plus, so dV is already there, so it is V square. Okay, so V square by V, it is V, and dV we have taken V square by C square. So it is nothing but dV by V. This V square by C square, V by C is Mach number actually, Mach number square minus 1. So this is the relation to find out the area velocity relation for the compressible flow. Okay, so this is the relation. That relation is dA by A is equal to dV by V into Mach number square, that is V by C square minus 1. Okay, so let us sum up how we have derived this relation. So area velocity diagram comes from, area velocity relation comes from m dot is equal to rho a v. So on differentiation we will get this one, rho a dv by v, rho v dA plus ab d rho, dividing by rho a v throughout the equation. So we will get dv by v plus dA by a plus d rho by rho is equal to 0. Okay, so dA by a will be equal to minus dv by v minus d rho by rho. Now we have to convert this d rho by rho in terms of Euler equation, and we know Euler equation is dp by rho plus v into dv. This is not theta. Okay, so it is v. So v into dv plus g into dz is equal to 0. Ignoring or neglecting this one, atom energy. So dp by rho plus v into dv is equal to 0. And what we have done here, dp by d rho, that is multiplying and dividing by d rho. So dp by d rho into d rho by dp. See here, dp by d rho into this d rho in by rho plus v dv is equal to 0. So dp by d rho is nothing but c square. Okay, into d rho by rho is equal to minus v dv. So d rho by rho will be equal to minus v dv by c square. Now from equation 1 and 2, as I have told you, dA by a is equal to minus dv by v minus d rho by rho. So d rho by rho is nothing but plus, it becomes plus v into dv by c square. So taking common dv by v, so here it is just minus 1. Here already dv we have taken and v is there, so v square will be there. So this v square means 1v and 1v will get cancelled. So it will be v into dv by c square, and v by c is nothing but Mach number square minus 1. Okay, so based on this chapter theory portion is over. Now we are going to solve numerical questions in the next lecture.